Upselling techniques are too often misinterpreted as being pushy, but that's simply not the case. In fact, whether you've recognized it or not, we've all experienced some form of upselling at one point or another. It might have been a restaurant asking you to upsize your meal, or an insurer offering add-ons to your basic coverage. Today, we will tell you how upselling helps your client. Before starting the video, please subscribe to the channel and click on the notification icon so you would get notified when we upload the next video. Number 9. What is upselling? Upselling is when a salesperson offers an upgrade or premium version of the product they are selling. Upselling can also include offering add-ons to increase the functionality of the product. The goal of upselling is to increase the total sale and to introduce customers to options that might better suit their needs. Upselling is often built into a conversation about the customer's goals in purchasing the product and what they hope to accomplish over time. Upselling helps build a relationship with customers by letting them know what else you offer, how they can get more functionality for their money, and by showing them that you are invested in their needs and goals. Upselling is not necessarily an immediate process. While you should offer the upsell at the time of purchase, you can also use marketing techniques like direct mail and email newsletters to keep your customers up to date on their options. Number 8. Increases profits. It is no secret that a customer that buys more means that your institution will make more money. Growth for your business does not mean simply retaining the customers that you have. It is necessary that you continue to grow your wallet allocation for the current customers you have. The great untapped market in your business might be your actual customers, even amongst customers that have strongly trusted their bank. For example, they only dedicate 25% of their total investments to their primary bank. Once you have gained your customers' trust, there is still an incredible amount of investments they could be making with you if you use upselling and cross-selling to your advantage. Number 7. Increases customer loyalty. When businesses refer to upselling, too often what comes to mind is greasy car salesmen offering services and products that customers don't need to weasel them out of a few dollars. In reality, though, this could not be further from the truth. The point of upselling is to give the customer all of their options so they can make a knowledgeable choice. It shows customers that you care and respect their needs. In fact, upselling and cross-selling is closely related to customer satisfaction. They develop loyalty for the banks that they feel look out for their financial well-being. Customer loyalty can be a problem in the sales industry. It is common for customers to lack engagement and leave quickly. Any action that businesses can take to increase loyalty will help minimize the costs of losing customers, especially new customers. Not only does customer satisfaction mean a reduction in churn rates, but they also offer the best opportunity for free marketing in the age of information. There are few people that will trust their business to an institution without checking reviews on it first. Happy customers are the best form of advertisement that you cannot buy. Number 6. Increase in ROI. Signing new customers can be a costly undertaking. Upselling and cross-selling to your customers allows you to see a profit quickly and receive a better return on your investment. You already did the hard work of marketing, finding and selling successfully to your customer. Your business would be wise to get as much from the interaction as possible. You leave money on the table when you neglect upselling and cross-selling. Offer customers products that are relevant to what they are looking to get as much of a return as possible. Number 5. Increases customer lifetime value. Not only will upselling or cross-selling bring in a greater initial profit after signing on the customer, but the overall value of the customer over the course of their lifetime will also be greater. If you sell a credit card after a home loan for a customer to furnish their new house, for example, you will be bringing in much more profit over the course of the years that you would with a mortgage payment alone. Not only will you increase the lifetime value by increasing the amount they buy, but by increasing their loyalty. You will see much more from a customer that stays loyal to you. Again, the increase in customer loyalty will pay off over the long run. Number 4. Balances growth between new and existing customers. Research has shown that increasing customer retention by as little as 5% increases profits anywhere from 25% all the way up to 95%. Maintaining a balance, then, between the customers that you sign on initially and the ones that you maintain is absolutely essential to the survival of your institution. Maintain a healthy ratio of new to existing customers to help ensure that your business is making a profit. While gaining new clientele is a healthy goal, also keep in mind ways to keep the clients that you sign on. One way to do this is through upselling and cross-selling. Customers who feel that a company continues to look after their needs by offering relevant and helpful products and services will be far more likely to stay. Number 3, offers convenience and flexibility for customers. The benefits of upselling and cross-selling are not just for businesses. In fact, it works so well for businesses because it works well for customers too. Many customers do not want to shop around for a new institution when they need a certain product or service. By offering them more choices or relevant add-ons, they do not have to take a risk with a new company to get what they need. Most customers will stay with what they like if they know what is available. Since you have established trust with your customer, you can have the first shot at their business by telling them the related products and services you offer. When you upsell or cross-sell to a customer, you give them the convenience of staying with you and the flexibility to choose what they need. Number 2, upselling tips. Upselling is an important part of sales and can be a valuable service to your customers. Here are some tips for successful upselling. Listen to your customers' needs and goals. You can tailor your upsell suggestions to what customers seek to accomplish. Customers are more likely to upgrade their order when they see how the more expensive product meets their needs. Display your higher-end products and services. Customers respond to visual displays and information regarding premium services. Having them on display also allows you to easily reference them for upselling. Offer side-by-side comparisons. Customers are more likely to buy an upgraded service when they see the value it offers them. Showing them what the more expensive package or product offers will help incentivize them to upgrade. Educate your customer. Let your customer know what risks they can avoid and what benefits they can get from upgrading their purchase. Approach the upsell from the perspective of helping them maximize their experience. Accept your customer's answer. You will build a stronger relationship with your customer by avoiding pushy sales tactics. If they decide not to upgrade, give them a brochure so they have the option to upgrade later. Keep price in mind. Customers will respond more positively to upgrades that are relatively close in price to the product they have in mind. You can also incentivize your customers to upgrade by offering sales and discounts on your premium packages. Offer a la carte add-ons. Customers may be more interested in adding individual functions to their current package. Having a la carte options that customers can choose for a small fee can help them customize their packages. Stay in touch. Keeping in contact with your customers is great for maintaining a relationship and growing with them. You can use email marketing, social media, and direct mail to tell them about new products, update them on sales, and create value for upgrading. Number 1, upselling examples. Here are some examples of upselling. A customer is looking at standard earbuds in an electronics store, and the salesperson suggests a model with noise canceling. A client is looking for an email management platform, and the website displays 3 packages. Each package shows what functions and automation are available, showing the customer how much value they can get for the more expensive packages. A client uses a website building platform to build a free web page. They receive an email from the platform when there are discounts on premium packages. A business owner visits a print shop for business cards. They intended to use a basic design, but the salesperson helps them see the value in a professionally designed business card. The business owner chooses a glossy finish to best display the colors. A diner visits a restaurant and orders an iced tea. The server offers to add raspberry or peach flavoring for a small fee. A customer is buying a new smartphone. The salesperson learns they use their phone to take pictures of their family events and outings. So they suggest a phone with a higher-end camera and more storage space than the customer was originally considering. A customer is buying a new laptop, and the cashier offers to add a protection plan. When the customer asks for details, the cashier gives him 2 options and outlines what each plan covers. A client is looking at publishing packages and chooses to print on-demand package. The client orders a professional book cover design added to the package for an additional fee. A customer orders a suit from a retailer. The salesperson lets the customer know that they have a tailor on site that can alter the suit within the week for a discounted rate. Do let us know in the comments what upselling strategies you are using for your business. Thanks for watching.